Well, happy afternoon to you folks. Got this one over to my favorite spot. I can't wait to dig in and show you this one. Let's get a little bit of business out of the way. This is an absolutely stunning coach. Meticulous previous owner with pride of ownership should be the title of this one for sure. Let's get going. This is a 2020 Tiffin Phaeton 40 IH, coming in at just over 48,000 miles. I think this coach represents a tremendous amount of value. Awesome colors inside and out. Meticulous previous owner. Before this video's up, we're going to check the tire date codes. I can tell you they're all going to be original. We'll go over what we're going to do with the tires. We're also going to check the generator hours when we get inside and show you how many hours are on the generator. I think you'll be very pleased. This is definitely one of the cleanest and most put together, well lined out coaches we've ever had with this kind of mileage. I think it represents just the perfect amount of value for somebody looking to go out and hit the road right now. Because folks, if you want to buy a coach and go out and travel and hit the road this summer and have a great time, this is the way to buy one. Buying from a dealer like me, who's going to go through and do all the process, do everything right, get the coach ready for your travels and show you how to use it, I think that means a lot. Whoever owned this coach kept the paint in amazing condition. Normally we have to do paint correction on most motorhomes. This one looks like it's been done recently. It is in phenomenal shape. And folks, we see this a lot with a lot of Tiffins that are in really good shape that have this kind of mileage on them. We typically find these to be really, really solid machines. The owners of these are just, I call them Tiffinites. These people that love their Tiffin motorhome, to take the ultimate care, keep them inside. They keep the roofs all beautiful. They take care of it. They maintenance it just like they should. So there's a lot to be said for that. And that's exactly what we have right here. All right, now normally I don't show you tires that are built the 42nd week of 2019 because these tires are going to be replaced by us. But the reason I kneeled down here to show you this part of the video is to demonstrate to you these tires are original. These have been on here for 48,000 miles and they are in phenomenal condition. No rounding on the edges. They're all in just great shape. I mean, just what you'd want to see. It tells me that there's really been no chassis issues and the alignment's in really good shape to have the original tires with no rounding and no cupping, any of that kind of stuff after 48,000 miles. That leads me to the next part about tires. Our rule of tires is we automatically replace if they're 5 years or older on the steer tires and 7 years on the drive. So this coach is going to get 2 tires up front. Let's see what's inside these bays. First bay we get to is going to be our Lifeline battery bay. Looks like there's 6 Lifeline batteries in here. We will obviously check those, load test them, make sure they're all good. Next bay is going to be your first of 2 full pass-through bays. This one has a slide out tray, and then I love what they did here. No slide out tray in this one, but giving you a lot more storage height. This has got one of the tallest bays. It's even 3 inches taller than the other one because of the slide out tray. So if you got some tall things to set in here, bicycles, you can even fit one of those little collapsible golf carts in here, I would imagine. Next bay is going to be our water bay. As you can see, we have a digital readout for all your tank levels, a power hose reel, and there's easy access to your water pump and your filter housing. Here you're going to find your AquaHot 450D system and your AquaHot reporter right here. Power cord reel and DEF fluid. Just a bit of dry storage in here. This is where you're going to take that plate off and access to your air filter. See, we have the rear electronics bay for your Power Glide chassis. Battery bay and chassis disconnect. More found storage. And yes, that is more storage right there. Storage, more storage. Behind here, you're gonna find your freshwater tank hidden by a really nice little carpet right there. And if you're wondering, that little white spout right there with the twist off cap, that is your gravity fill for your water tank. And just our opposite side of full pass-through storage. And the same here. There's your rod to pull out your window coverings. In this bay, you're gonna have access and room for a little freezer if you wanted to plug in a freezer AC/DC here, and our hydraulics bay for our leveling jacks and our 2 front slide outs. Side mounted Girard awning. This is an armless awning. Now normally this is the part of the video where I talk about any of the little negatives we see on the outside, folks. There's only 2 things. I'm being so picky. I've seen 2 little tiny rock chips on the other side of the coach that aren't even going to show up on camera. And then yes, we do have 1 foggy window. It's the same window that fogs up, and it's barely there, but it's the same window that fogs up on every one of these We just keep them in stock now, so no worries, we're going to replace that, no problem. And normally I don't talk about the entryways, but in 2020 model year, they changed the entryways on the Phaeton to match what it is in the Allegro bus. One of my favorite entryways coming into a coach. And to get the slides out, we need the engine running. We got that running, and we're just going to push extend right here. Quiet, seamless slide out. And let's just take a walk to the back here so we can put the rear slides out. And we're going to go to the touch screen. We're going to go over here to the picture of the coach. And we're going to hold in the extend button. And then for the next slide, we made it in to this beautiful Tiffin. I mean, love the colors. I love the floors. I love the engine, the 450. I love the way this is set up with the Power Glide chassis. It's the heyday for Tiffin, in my opinion. But when I get inside of a coach like this, that's obviously been meticulously cared for, it makes a difference. It's the reason I bought this coach, because of the care and the ownership, the condition. It's just immaculate. Let's turn this camera around. Let's start at the dash, work our way back, show you why this is an awesome floor plan, show you why this is the #1 selling floor plan still today. 2020 Tiffin Phaeton. I love this coach. Digital dash, Power Glide chassis, HWH computerized leveling, huge triple vision backup camera and side view cameras. It's a huge monitor with that clear picture. That's tremendous. And we have 48,276 miles. While I'm thinking about it, let's go ahead and just check those generator hours to get it out of the way. And it looks like we have 435.2 hours on the generator. Not going to have time to go through and show you all that Spider system has to offer, but from the ability to control the slides to the auto generator stop and start our inverter, plus so much more. Full lighting control. Talked about the seats. Everything in here is in just phenomenal condition. I love the day shades in these coach. I've got the coach set up with the day shades down on purpose so you can see the beautiful day shades that they were using for this model year. I don't know if they're still using these or not, but I love them for 2020. Yes, we have a televator that pops up out of the across from the theater seat here. That is on a power motor. These are power theater seats. Look at the storage above that. Just a tremendous amount of storage. There's all of our books and manuals. Beautiful Corian countertops in the galley. We do have a sleeper sofa that's going to pull out and make a bed. And then we're going to have a booth dinette that also converts and makes a bed for children. And right next to our theater seats is going to be our galley here with that beautiful Corian countertops where that sterling cabinetry continues through. We do have a dishwasher, dual compartment sink, all electric package in this coach with the induction cooktop and a little power tower that pops up out of the counter. Did I mention the beautiful backsplash and the awesome kitchen window that started in 2019 and they made it just a little bit bigger for the 20 model year. Sharp carousel convection microwave oven, easy to get to touch buttons, beautiful and smart cabinetry with pull-out drawers. And we have a Maytag French door refrigerator with water and ice in the door and a pantry next to it. Across from the refrigerator is going to be our half bath. Right next to our Spider control, we open the door. We see we have plenty of room to move about in here. The wash sink, more of that beautiful backsplash cabinetry, window, vent with a fan, and of course a porcelain toilet. Did I mention to you yet that this coach does have the heated floor option? Right here, and aqua hot. It is an all-electric coach after that. I would be remiss if I didn't mention the fact while we're here looking at the screen that this does have 3 roof air conditioners, all 15K with heat pumps. Back to the bedroom here where we have our king-size bed, and yes, this is a traditional Tiffin where you're going to have a window on both sides of the bed. One of the things I love about this year model of Tiffin is the fact that they give you these little touch screens. You can control everything from the coach just like you would the big screen from both sides of the bed there, as you can see. And just across from the bed, you're going to see we're going to have another flat panel television, multi-level countertops and lighting. I love the laundry hamper that Tiffin gives you and just lots of storage drawers and cabinetry. Into the master bath, you're going to find the reason why the Tiffin 40IH with the XSH floor plan is going to be the most popular floor plan. And this in the Phaeton, not only the Phaeton, but the Allegro bus as well. And as you can see off to the right here, we have this huge one-piece molded fiberglass surround shower, Dometic power flush toilet, 3/4 length closet, and just behind this door, we're going to find our washer dryer center. Just across from that, we're going to find our double compartment sink with storage and drawers and cabinetry and some of that same beautiful backsplash. But the biggest thing I want to talk to you about is the floors, like we talked about outside. The XSH, the biggest thing that it does for you, besides give you the storage, extra storage height in the basement, is gives you this flat floor throughout the entire coach. No more step up. In the older floor plans, you have a step up here into the bathroom. Now, I know what you're asking yourself, what is it like with the slides in going down the road? Well, we have the slides in. Let's show you what that's like right now, because this one is really, really good. I think for a, I'm going to explain what I'm talking about. For a coach that has 4 slide outs, opposing like sofa style deal, this one is extremely good. We do battle one little thing when we get to the back. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. First and foremost, I do have the driver's seat back quite a bit. There still is a moderate amount of room to move back. I usually set my seat back further than most people would. Adjacent to the driver's seat is your co-captain's chair that has a tremendous amount of room to move their seat back as well. I can tell you that this seat is sitting way back, so plenty of room. If you wanted to scoot this forward and lean back more, you could do whatever you wanted to do there. All right, coming to the back of the coach, as you can see on the right here, we have beautiful power theater seating, a nice aisleway to move about. Now, if somebody's sitting on the theater seat watching TV and you need to walk by them, there is going to have to be an adjustment that's made. You're going to have to squeeze through. But as we move past that, you're going to see we have the booth dinette. One of my favorite things about a booth dinette is the ability to use it while you're driving down the road. We can use everything in our galley, get to our dishwasher, all of our drawers and cabinets. We can even get to our refrigerator. Now, the tightest spot in the entire coach with the slides in is going to be right here. Because simply, I just need to kind of, I don't really have to squeeze through. I just have to kind of adjust my body a little bit as I move through there. No problem. And folks, once we get to the refrigerator area, as you can see, we're going to have access into our pantry. We have full access into our refrigerator. We can open the doors. There's one of my coffee cups left over in there. We'll open both doors and the freezer. But one of the coolest things on this floor plan is the ability to get into the bathroom with no issue whatsoever. We don't have to put the slides out. We get into our bathroom, no problem. And once you get past the bathroom, I literally don't even have to squeeze. I don't touch. I have full access to my king size bed. And as you can see here, I got plenty of room in front and behind me. This is one of the best coaches I've seen that has 4 slide outs. Actually, one of the best Tiffins that we've had, where you can move about the cabin with no problem whatsoever. This is a really, really good one. Well, let's take this Phaeton for a little test drive down the road and see what it's all about. Well, I already have several hours, 12, 13 hours under my belt driving this one, so I know what it's like. And it looks like we got a nice little clear spot here. We're gonna be able to get out. Let's put this through the twist test. Nice. Tons of acceleration. Track straight down the road under full acceleration. I'm actually on a 3/4 acceleration right now. It's quite a bit windy today, so you're gonna hear some wind. We got like 20 mile an hour, 15, 20 mile an hour crosswinds. So I'm gonna battle that just a little bit. Nothing too bad though. So if you're in the market for a 2018, 19, 20 Allegro bus, don't leave out the Phaeton as an option for you, because I'm telling you, this one drives almost identical to an Allegro bus. And really and truthfully, the only differences between this and an Allegro bus are obviously the body style. A rear radiator versus a side mounted radiator, because these are both on the Powerglide chassis, and they're both going to drive just about the same. And I had my choice of which coach to drive back up the highway when I was coming. I had a 23 Dutch Star to choose from. I had that Tiffin Phaeton 44OH. Driving this coach, I never felt the need to have a tag axle. And don't get me wrong, a tag axle is going to drive better. It's going to feel more stable on the road, but I never felt the need to have that tag axle like I have in some other units. Well, folks, that concludes the tour on this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a tremendous amount of fun. I always have fun doing these. I buy and sell the coaches that I personally love. You've seen what we deal in. We like Integra. We love Tiffin. We love Newmar. Please check the website at sewellmotorcoach.com. Click on our other videos. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I certainly hope to talk with you soon.